All right, so we're in the shop and we're working on the engine here. So we went and got a couple numbers off the engine. First one I ran to was on a Camaro Z28 site, and it said it's a 302 Z28 motor from 1969. It's 4-bolt main. It says 4-bolt main. This block's a 4-bolt main. Yeah, so we're gonna turn you around, take a look at it. Like I said, this thing is roached. The hardware is just, yeah. So here we are, flipped around in the motor. So I'm over here. I got my die grinder out. I'm grinding that head down. I ground this one down. This one looks good. Managed not to mar the crap out of shit. Dinged it here, but that's fine. It'll be fine. If this came out of a Camaro, that might change things for me, especially if it's 302. It's got small journals. That means if I do up the crank really good, give it better rods and pistons, and Edelbrock Performer, and work the heads and gasket match everything, be a nice little screamer. It wouldn't make like the most awesome horsepower ever, but it would like definitely rev to the moon, right? So I don't know. We'll see. The vet sites aren't matching up exactly. I'm going to go back to the Corvette site. And I won't know absolutely sure until I get inside the engine and do, put the calipers on the freaking the bore size. Bore size will let you know. Bore size, and then you can calculate stroke. I'll have to get a degree wheel and get that in, but yeah. At a point distributor, a parts pile here. So it's it's a 1974 and lower motor, right? It came out of some kind of American sports car, either a Camaro or a Vet. Could have it came out of anything else? Maybe an Impala? Did Impalas have those packages back in 69, 70? I don't know. I'll have to look on the Impala site then. But we'll see. We'll search all over the place and see what different thing is. And regardless of what the sites say, when I go ahead and I check stroke and bore, that'll tell you everything. Yeah, I don't think this engine's ever been apart. Problem is, it just sat in a couple different places. There's like insect growth inside it, and yeah. All right, catch you guys later.